Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve these two math. Let's start. Number 1, root over root 81 plus root 80. First, this 81 we can write 9 plus this 80 if we make prime factorization. So first 2, here is 40, then divide by 2, 20, divide by 2, 10, divide by 2, 5. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So for these 2 we can take 1, 2, and for these 2 we can take another 2. So we can write 4 root 5 for this 80. If we make simplify like 16 times 5, it means 80, right? So for this 16 we can write 4, and this 5 we can write root 5. Hope you clear this one. Now for this scenario, what can we do? Look, here is a root 5, here is 9. So we can make like 4 plus 5, this one is 9, plus 4 root 5. Now look, for these 4 we can write 2 square, plus for this 5 we can write root 5 square. Is the similar thing. Now if we consider a plus b whole square, it means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we already get a square, it means 2 square, b square, it means root 5 square. So for this 2ab we can write 2, then again a means 2, then b means root 5. Now look, this one 2 times 2 means 4 and root 5. So we already get everything and all root. So for this one we can write 2 plus root 5 whole square and all root. So now look, this root and this square we can out. So 2 plus root 5. Okay. Now look, here is 2 plus this root 5. If we make more calculation, we can write root 5. It means 2.236. 2.236. Okay, and it should approx. So our answer is 4.236 approx, and this is our answer. If you want, you can stop in here. This is also right answer. Hope you clear this one. This is very important math for grade 8 to 10, especially IGCSE, CBC and SSC examination. So number 1 done. Now number 2, let's start. From this equation we have to find out x. Here is 4 to the power root 2x minus 1 equals to root 2. So this one different way we can solve. So I'm trying. Look, this is 4, this one we can write 2 square, and here root 2x minus 1 equals to root 2. How we can write this one? Look, if a to the power b then to the power c, we can write a to the power BC. Okay. Now look, here is root 2 and here is 2. So this one, what can we do? This one we can write another thing. Look, against this root 2 we can write 2 to the power 1 by 2. Now look, here base is 2 and here is also 2. So once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. Once base are same, that time power will be equal. So here base are same, we can write 2 times root 2x minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Now we can multiply both sides by 2. So here will be 4 root 2x minus 1 equals to 1. We can write multiply both sides by 2. Okay. Now we can square both sides. So once we square both sides, this 4 will be 16 and this root will be out. So 2x minus 1 equals to 1. We can again write squaring both sides. So here is 16 times 2, it means 32x minus 16 equals to 1. Now 32x equals to 1 plus 16. So 32x equals to 17. Now look, we can divide both sides by 32. So x equals to 17 by 32. We can write divide both sides by 17. Both sides by what? Both sides by 32. Okay, and this is our answer. Hope you clear this one. It's also very important math for grade 8 to 10 CBC, IGCSE, SSC. So these types of math I'm trying to solve almost every day. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Hope by this channel you will learn lots of things. Thank you.